10 seconds out. Approaching insertion point. Kick ropes. Prep to deploy. Here we go. All Eagles out the door. Go, go, go! All Eagles on deck. Cut ropes. On my lead. Confirmed. Infantry moving to support.
Viking Actual. We have visual elements on sat feed.
Hacking module installed. Updates on completion. Engaging enemy infantry. We got a wounded man. He's down. Man down! Targeting enemy infantry. ASD's inbound. One mic out.
Move ahí, Tom!
That's ahead. Confirmed! First laser defense site under our control. Hacking complete. ASD on ground, pushing out from set point. That's ahead!
Spread the unit in place, guys. System corruption in progress.
Threat eliminated.
¡Ya voy,
Moving to neutralize infantry threat. He's down. You'll confirm on enemy quad. We're losing the scrambler. That's a kill. He's down. Enemy quad's down.
Missile guidance system is down.
Confirmed. Missile guidance system is offline.
Missile guidance system is down.
That's a kill! Targeting enemy infantry. Got him. Engaging enemy quads. That's a kill! Viking Actual, your ASDs are on their way. Reinforcements deployed. Eagles on ground. Engaging enemy infantry. Eagle down! Hacking device in place. Upload in progress. Stand by. Took down the enemy quad. Hacking module being compromised. Get these guys on their heels. ASD support now available. Targeting the enemy quads. Took down the enemy quad. Got him. ASD's rolling out of DZ. Busted good. Moving to neutralize infantry threat. That's a kill. Second laser site is ours. Aircraft established at initiation point, ready for drop. Hacking complete.
Easy Rhino on the approach. Target VID.
Stand by for plus up of new fire team. Weapon away. Airstrike unit inbound. Targeting enemy infantry. Confirmed hit. Ship is down. Mission objectives achieved. Move to extract. Closest heat signature is located in vicinity of Echo Sierra 719er 854. Quads are deployed. Additional quad support now online. Quad drone down. Multiple hostiles observed in AO.
Convoy is taking effective small arms and RPG fire.
Recon team sensors are tracking multiple hotspots on the surrounding hilltops. Use supporting elements to eliminate IEDs and clear safe path for convoy. We got enemy tanks bearing down on the convoy. ASDs are our most effective defense. All assets engaged as needed. Free fire zone approved in support of convoy. Vehicles are under attack. Declaring troops in contact. Time now. Be advised, intel shows enemy has placed IEDs along primary route.
Vehicle Alpha is receiving enemy fire. We need supporting elements. Enemy tanks rolling in on our right. Vehicle Bravo is under fire. Enemy tank right side, lead vehicle. Alpha can't take much more damage.
That's a hit. Tank is down. Infantry on horseback approaching the convoy. Neutralized before they have time to place additional IEDs. Enemy RPG threat neutralized.
Alpha vehicle is taking heavy contact, all sides.
Enemy riders targeted for attack.
Delta is at risk. We need those hostiles taken out. Delta vehicle is under attack.
Directing assault on enemy cavalry.
Alpha vehicle needs support. Keep them off us. Bravo receiving effective enemy fire. Bravo may go down if they hit us again.
RPG is down.
This is Alpha truck. We are taking damage.
Enemy riders targeted for attack.
Alpha vehicle, we are close to shutdown. Vehicle Bravo needs support. Enemy is targeting us. Charlie is hit. Request support units to engage enemy. Enemy armor up ahead. We need them cleared out. Bravo in trouble. Needs support fire ASAP. Alpha vehicle is taking heavy contact all sides.
Alpha vehicle is down hard. We're now one vehicle down. We need to protect the rest of the convoy.
Bravo receiving effective enemy fire.
RPG position spotted. Direct drone assets to engage. We lost Bravo vehicle. We've lost 2 vehicles. Protect what's left of the convoy at all costs.
Convoy vehicle Delta taking heavy fire. Enemy forces hitting Charlie vehicle.
Enemy RPG threat neutralized.
We risk losing Charlie vehicle.
Enemy forces moving on vehicle Charlie. Convoy is under threat from enemy tanks. Enemy marked for HAMP strike. Stand by. Convoy under attack. Charlie vehicle in danger. Enemy tanks moving on the convoy. Confirmed. Enemy tank is down.
Delta receiving enemy fire. We need those tanks cleared.
Units moving to engage enemy tanks. IED spotted on the convoy route. Use any available asset to eliminate threat. We lost Charlie. Keep moving. 3 vehicles down. We have to ensure the last vehicle makes it through.
Delta is in imminent danger. Convoy taking effective RPG fire from the mountain.
Munitions platform online. Standing by for targets. Unit down. Switching to quad control. Threat eliminated. Enemy tank destroyed. RPG is down. Confirmed hit on enemy helo. Manual quad control established. Good kill, good kill. Helo knocked out. Confirmed kill on RPG position. RPG is toast. RPG is down. Units moving to engage enemies on horseback. Quad insertion confirmed at TZ. Directing assault on enemy cavalry.
Delta vehicle is under attack.
Delta vehicle in danger. Mobilized to protect.
Delta is at risk. We need those hostiles. Take it out.
Enemy riders targeted for attack. Quads are deployed. Directing assault on enemy cavalry. Units moving to engage enemies on horseback. RPG is toast. RPG is down. RPG is toast. Enemy helos entering the AO. Squads to neutralize threat from the air.
This is Delta. We need immediate support. We need those helos neutralized.
Signal lost. Switching to ASD remotely. RPG is down. RPG is toast.
Convoy vehicle Delta. Heavy fire. Heavy RPG fire from the hillside.
Confirmed kill on RPG position. Enemy helo is down. Element lost. ASD under my guidance. Support now available. Enemy RPG threat neutralized. Confirmed kill on RPG position. Enemy RPG threat neutralized. RPG is down. Confirmed kill on RPG position. RPG is toast. Enemy RPG threat neutralized. Mission success. Convoy has arrived at pickup site. All assets provide perimeter security for VTOL departure.
I got visual on enemy VTOLs. Hurry it up, we only got one shot at this.
Rocket out!
Kraken, good impact on target. Shah's VTOL's coming down.
Good copy. Push to the crash site and ensure General Zhao is KIA.
Understood. Moving.
Friendly reinforcements moving to support. The intel recovered in Pakistan gave us enough time to secure all necessary assets. Let's do this by the book. Move to execute kill order. Moving to secure down VTOL. We have updated intel. Zhao has activated his emergency protocols. He sealed himself in a down VTOL. Copy all.
Targeting enemy infantry.
Confirmed. Enemy turret is down.
Enemy ASD. Kill confirmed. Got him. Threat eliminated.
infantry. Got him! We've got a wounded man. I confirm. Fresh troops on deck. He's down.
Enemy ASD is busted good. Moving to neutralize infantry threat.
One less hostile ASD. Threat eliminated. Enemy turret destroyed. Unit down. Shifting to infantry. Targeting enemy infantry. That's a kill.
Targeting enemy ASD unit.
I got him. Hostile ASD is down.
Targeting enemy infantry.
Element lost. Switching to infantry feed. Reinforcements deployed. Eagles on ground. That's a kill! Good.
EMP in place. Charging for pulse.
Targeting enemy infantry.
Confirmed. EMP charge in position. 1 minute till pulse.
Hostile turret is down.
He's down.
Hostiles moving to destroy the EMP.
Engaging enemy infantry.
EMP charge has been compromised.
Refocus effort.
EMP in place. Charging for pulse. Confirmed. EMP charge in position. 1 minute till pulse.
Targeting enemy unit.
Enemy ASD. Kill confirmed.
Hostile ASDs eliminated. Good work. Confirmed. Fresh troops on deck.
Engaging enemy infantry.
Got him. Engaging enemy infantry. That's a hit.
Eagle down. That's a kill.
Further reinforcements moving to support. EMP charge successful. Moving to target. Veto security is down. Get to Zhao.
Mission success. Target is confirmed dead.
Copy. Ensure photos and site exploitation are complete and move to extraction site. POTUS Level 1 op is approved. High-value individual extraction is a go. Remember, we need them alive. Tear gas deployed in the AO. Civilians' presence minimized. Let's make this quick. Search location as directed. Raptor 1-1, approaching pickup zone. Reinforcements deployed. Eagles on ground. Targeting the enemy quads. Hostile quad coming down.
That's a kill.
HVI not here. Continue search.
Threat eliminated. Engaging RPG threat.
Targeting enemy infantry.
Enemy RPG is down.
مقاتل مسلح.
Engaging enemy infantry. Targeting enemy infantry.
That's a kill. Targeting enemy RPG. It's a dry hole. No sign of HVI.
RPG threat eliminated.
Engaging enemy infantry. That's a hit.
We have a teammate bleeding out. Friendly reinforcements moving to support.
He's down. Engaging enemy quads. That's a negative. HVI is not here. Targeting enemy infantry.
We got a wounded man. Targeting quads. Enemy quad is broke hard. HVI located. Moving to secure.
Who the hell are you?
We're U.S. Navy SEALs. We're getting you out.
I'll follow you.
Retasking your assets. Raptor 1-1 moving to extract HVI.
All right, Section, what's the plan?
Head for the extraction zone, Chloe.
No shit.
Raptor 1-1 approaching pickup zone. Raptor 1-1 is spinning on deck. Load your packs.
We have a teammate bleeding out.
That's a hit. Targeting enemy infantry.
Moving to new... Come on, come on! All Eagles on board! Full head count!
Get us out of here.